Hey guys, how you doing? Bitcoin Kid here, March 3rd, 2021. Welcome to the channel where I keep you updated on the latest cryptocurrencies and I show you what I'm doing in my strategy, investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also on the trading platform BYBIT. Again, if you're new, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get my latest videos. All right, let's get this started. Okay, so Bitcoin inching its way back to the all-time high. Right now, currently, it's about 58,683. I think it hit about 59,000 earlier today. Some news. The head of crypto exchanges, Coin Corner, Danny Scott, says that exchange balances have dropped, and that is a bullish indicator. He believes that this will drive the Bitcoin price to a new all-time high. He says that the only time exchange balances were consistently low for was a 6-month period of time, and that was for the buildup of 2017. He says that we have now been in a 12 months of exchanges, the amount of bitcoins in exchanges dropping, and that has been consistent. And he believes that people, the reason why that's happening is because he believes that people are buying Bitcoin and pulling them out of the exchanges and storing them in cold wallet storages. So he believes, according to the law of averages, that Bitcoin could go to 83,000. That would be amazing. Probably in the next month, in April, he believes. On-chain analyst Willy Woo believes that 1 billion people will adopt Bitcoin. He says that 1/8 of the world's population will have exposure to the monetary base. Galaxy Digital founder Mike Novogratz, not sure if I said that correctly, but he believes that $1 trillion will be injected into the cryptocurrency sector beginning in April. He says that large financial institutions that are starting to begin to offer cryptocurrency products to their older baby boomer generations between the ages of 55 and 75 could start investing in April. So that would be pretty amazing, right? That kind of only makes sense, right? And we've been seeing this Grayscale, all these, they've been creating like hedge funds and things that aren't directly buying Bitcoin but are kind of lined up with Bitcoin or Ethereum. We've seen Grayscale do a lot of this type of stuff. They're doing like some neutral type hedge fund type things where people can invest in their stocks, and it kind of gives them some indirect exposure. So that only kind of makes sense, right? Because a lot of older people, they've been listening to Warren Buffett, and Warren Buffett's been saying that Bitcoin is just it's just a bubble's going to burst. So now after the $1 trillion market cap, a lot of these older investors are now starting to get a little worried. They're starting to see like Bitcoin price going up, and they're seeing the the stimulus check, trillions and trillions of dollars are being printed. So that makes people kind of scared and start thinking twice about investing in Bitcoin. So again, he believes that as much as $1 trillion will come over from the giant group of wealth. He states that $68.5 trillion in assets are expected to be handed down from baby boomers to Generation X and millennials in the next 25 years. Which will then be in turn invested, good possibility, into cryptocurrencies, because the younger generations are now adopting, feeling comfortable doing a lot of things online, and that just kind of only makes sense. But that is amazing, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video where I kind of go into the what the prices are going right now with on Coinbase, and then I'll show you what I'm doing on the BYBIT trading app. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, we were in Coinbase here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, 58,790. Ethereum's going up 1845. This is Ethereum 2. That's where you're going to be able to stake ETH coins. It's not available yet. Cardano going up. Polkadot. XRP. They're talking about XRP possible skyrocket to $4 or so soon. Litecoin 195. We got Chainlink. Let's see what else we got going on here. Filecoin's up. Dogecoin 5.053. That's been stable. VeChain's come down a little bit. These are some we're looking at. Cosmos, EOS is up a little bit. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. They were talking about this Chili's, 53 cents. How much was this at one point? It's gone up a little bit. With 55. Okay. Another one that I know it's not on here. Let me see. Let me take a look. I have some investment in this one coin called Share Token, and I'll show you kind of where I find that, where you can find it. But Share Token here, 0.92. This is up, and this you can't trade on here, but you have to trade. You can trade it on KuCoin. There's another. So take a look at this one. This is basically like, I think we talked about it. It has to do with like traveling, and kind of, it's an app, Share Token app, and our Share app, and it combines all the airlines and rentals and hotels, and you can just go on one app instead of like having million different accounts. There's another Dent. Take a look at this one. Wow, this is really going up too. It was, it's basically, it's less than a cent now, but if you see this, it was like about, let me see, about, at one point it was 11 cents. So take a look at this. It was 0.00, then it went down to like 0.001 cent, and it's really been skyrocketing. So this can really go, like, it's less than 1 cent right now, so this is starting to go up. But again, you can't trade this on Coinbase. You can find it on KuCoin. I'll put a link down below. See where you have to add an account, and then you have to transfer money from BYBIT to the wallet. But it all gets easier and easier as you start doing it. But those are two to look into. I've invested in those. I'll kind of show you in a little bit. What else we got here going on? Again, Dogecoin. Let's see, scroll down a little bit. And that's it. We're seeing graph. This isn't going up. Let's take a look at this one. No, it's coming down a little bit. Well, it was up February 13th, about 2 something. That's gone down. Okay. Cool beans. All right. So that's, that's pretty much it. Nothing really much going on. Everything's kind of staying, except Bitcoin's been going up, so that's great. Let's take a look at this KuCoin app, and I'll show you this. This is the account, and I'll show you that I have some money in here. 1 second. And take a look at this. Let's see if we go withdraw. I guess it shows you. Okay, so right here, you can take a look. Then I've got $9,829. It was about $1. $100 I invested. Same thing with Share Token. So if you just do the math, Dent, I think I have, like, it's gone up. I think I bought it at like whatever it was, like 0.083 cents. So it's gone up. I have about a $37 gain, and that's only like within a week or so. Same thing with Share. I invested 100. It's gone up a bit. I think I have like another $36 profit. So that's really good. So I'm holding on to those. I'm seeing what's going on again. But this is KuCoin. You can find that in the App Store. KuCoin. Okay, KuCoin. So that's one second, guys. Okay, so that's KuCoin. You can go there. Let me just show you what else we got going on here. We've got the Nexo wallet still. Money's still in there, waiting for this thing to go up. And see, it's starting to go back up again, because that is the amount of the coin that I have. Like, for example, I have 1.43 ETH. So as Ethereum goes up, this balance goes up as well. I can't touch this money because that's the 60% ratio. But as soon as it starts getting to the 2,000 per Ethereum coin, 2,500, that's when I'll be able to access some money again. I'm waiting for it to go to 10 grand so I can pull out a bunch of money and then start investing in more coins. But that being said, okay, all right, guys. So hang on for the rest of the video. I'm going to get into the BYBIT, where I'm making some pretty good profits in there with very smaller investments. I'm doing 10x leveraging. I'll kind of show you how to do that. But that's really exciting. I kind of like that because it's kind of like when I first started making videos with Cash App, and the Bitcoin prices were starting to go up, and I was able to cash out profits, which was great. But when it started dipping, that was the issue. But what's great about this is that with the 10x leveraging, you're making so much more money that when it does drop, it doesn't really affect your profits that much. That's what I really like about 10x leveraging. So we'll get into that. All right, stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, so we're seeing Bitcoin go all the way down to 58,641. Okay, it was 59,000 or so. Okay, let's see, it's going down. And is it going to start going up? 640, 641. Let me see something here. Okay, all orders. Okay, I'm not in yet. I'm going to go in at 3,121, but let's take a look. If this starts going up, I want to wait till this kind of bottoms out, and I'm putting in a market buy. I'm at 316 right now. I'm going to put in a market buy. I want to see this as soon as it starts going up, because look how much it's crashed down. Can it go a little further down? Possibly, but we're going to start seeing the volume. So you look down to the bottom right here, these 3 candle bars. I don't know if you can see that. See if we can get down all the way down here at the corner. See that? So that candle bar up here can start going up. Okay, that's like some volume. So we're at 58,639. Let's take a look at to the bottom, 648. Let's see if that's starting to go up. Okay, that's starting to go up. 645,599. This might be the bottom. 652. 657. This is the bottom. Boom. Okay. Let's start going up. You see how we can kind of catch these, but you gotta, just be patient, because it was trading, kept going up all day long. I just decided not to buy in, but now I got in, just kind of keeping track. But so let's take a look. I bought in at 15,664, and what is it right now? It's 58,664. Now it's 58,660. It's going down a little bit, but let's see at this point. My liquidation price is 53,574, so it's got to go down like $5,000 for me to be completely liquidated. I'm doing 10x leverage. I'm trading at 31.20. And I started about, I guess it was like 315, 316, the amount. So let's see. I think this could have been the bottom. It has gone down a little bit more what I bought into, but usually when we see these kind of huge dips, it could start going back up. So let's see. Again, I just need this thing to go up like $300 from this point, or from 58,650, 660. See, look, it's going even down a little further. I can make like $15, so that would be pretty good. If it goes up $500, $600, I could make $30. That would be excellent. If I can do one trade like that a day, 1-2 trades, I could make $30 a day. 30 times 30 is $900 a month. So let's see. So again, look, I'm down a little bit to 310, but could it crash down even further? Possibly. But now it's starting to go back up. See, take a look at this. Look at that candle. See that candle going up right now? So that's what you got to pay attention to. And you're going to start seeing, look, I'm back up to 315. And hopefully we can take this up to, I just got to go to like, if it goes to 58,900, 950, 58,950, I can cash out, make $15, but I think this will go up maybe to 59,100. I can make $30. So let's see what happens. We'll keep you guys posted to see what happens. Keep tuned. Starting to climb up a little bit. Take a look at that, back to 319, 58,728. So again, I started about $315. I'm up like $4 right now. Let's keep it moving, see what happens. Let's take a look at the bar. Look to the bottom right over here. We're gonna see this bar going up. This candle is at 58,745 right now, 739. Can possibly retrace back up again. It doesn't have to go up that much. I mean, like I said, Bitcoin just has to go up 1%. If you have $100 in at 10x trading, you are gonna make $10. If you got 20, you'll make. If you have 200, you'll make $20. If you got 300, like I did, you can make $30. Doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you add it up, you can do 1, 2, one or two trades a day like that, it can really work out. They're also talking about April, possible Bitcoin going to the 80,000 range. So we'll see about that. You know, it'd be great to put in a buy, and it can just take off like that. Like we just saw the other day. I had a position in, I think it was Monday morning. I had left it in from Sunday night, and it just took off on me. It was awesome. You know, I made like $120. That's how now I was at like 319. That would be amazing to see something like that. It went up like $3,000. So we're just hopeful that that'll happen. So maybe if I can put a position in and it can just take off, that would be awesome for April. But we'll see. Just doing it day by day, slowly. Look, 58,759. Let's take a look at this. Look, I'm at 322. So right now I'm up $8. I'd like to get at least $15, $20. Then I'm going to show you how to put a stop loss in. Right over here, I'm sorry, not a stop loss, but a trail stop, because just in case this thing crashes down, you don't want to lose your profit. Okay, so here we're at, it kind of went back up again. Oh, let's not go there. I want to go here. You see the green arrows to the right, it's starting to go back up. 758, 751. It's when it was all the way down here. So that was a good time to kind of buy in, but it started going back up again. So we're seeing, because right now I'm at 321 again. I guess I started like at 315 around there. Let me see what my buy-in was. Let's see, 31.21. Yeah, so I was like at $312. Okay, so I'm up like about $10, I guess, because when I bought in, if you do buy now, it takes some money out from a couple extra bucks. So technically I'm up about $9 right now, but I like to get up a little bit higher just to compensate for that market buy. So when you click market buy, it charges you a few bucks more, because I remember I was like at 319. I hit market buy, and now basically it's saying that I'm at 30. I think around there. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure, but 320 here. And take a look at these numbers to the right. They're going to start going down. I might just close this out just because it's starting to go down, but let's see. Let's see what the volume is. See this green at the bottom down here? This is showing you how much volume it is, so it's starting to pump a little bit. If it was red, that would be bad, so this might go up. And then we can also check to the right over here, where the blinking red and green numbers to the right. See where it says 58,778, and the bottom one. When those start going up, it's a good indicator that the Bitcoin price is going to go up. So I think I keep forgetting to double check, but I think that's like other markets, but we'll see. It's a great indicator to determine if that's going to go up. So we see it kind of going up, so that's 758, 748, that should go up. Hopefully it can get into the 800s, so I can make a couple more bucks, and then I'll hit cash out. So let's see, it's starting to go up a bit, so that's a good sign. See, there we go. See how boom, so it's popping up. So that's it. I like using that because it's usually it gives me a few seconds, like 30 seconds, to make a decision. Sometimes it's good, sometimes bad. But see, look at that, 58,817. So watch this, 58,765. That's gonna start going up. Watch that. Keep an eye on that. Hopefully it'll get us into the 800s. Let's take a look. I'm at 323. I'd like to make about 15 bucks on this trade. That'd be awesome. All right, now it's starting to dip down, so that might not be a good thing. 321. I might close out and then start over when it crashes down again to 58,400 around range right there. See, that's starting to go down. I'm gonna close out. I'm closing out just because this is a little kind of dangerous, this area right this time. Look at that, 316. You see that? I closed out and it dropped me at 316 because what I did, that was a market buy. So I think that definitely when you do a market buy, you lose money, because I should have been at 321. You see, I kind of like ate like $5 out of that. So but the market buy you in. If I had more profit on that one, it'd been a lot better. I mean, so technically I made like $6 on that instead of 11 because they probably took out $5 for the market buy. But if it was like, if I was like up $30, that wouldn't have been too bad. But anyways, it is what it is. It's good practice. So now let's take a look. I'm back here again at 316. I basically like just had the same amount that I had before, but now see how it's starting to go down. 58.688. So what I want to do is I'm going to change this to limit. Okay, I'm going to put an order price in 58,000. What was the low before? I want to say like 58,000. Let's say 400. Okay, contract buy. I'm going to go all in, and I can change this as I go. 58,679. Let's see where this is going. 58,679. Let's look at this price to the yellow. 58,725. So this is going to start going up. That's going to start going up. See how it's starting to go up right there? Look at that. And it's starting to create another candle. Let's see if that starts to wick up or come back down again. 773. Take a look to the right, 58,773. Let's see if that starts going up. Let's take a look at the volume. Again, usually at the bottom over here, when this is like in the red, oh look, now it's positive. See, this is going to go up now. Take a look at this, 58.78. You're going to see this number going up. We're going to 58.7. It's going to go into the 58,800 range. If this will go up. Let's see if that goes up. Talking about the numbers with the yellow flag. 58,763. It's starting to drop again. Well, look, it's starting to go back up. I'm gonna put this in for like 57,800 and see what happens. I'm gonna go all of it, 31,000. I wonder why that number changes. Oh, okay. Because my dollar amount's going down. Okay, 30,000. Okay. Buy long. Confirm. Okay, so I'm in. If it drops to 57,800, and it is possible. That's only like $1,000 from here. And we'll see, and I can adjust that as I go along. But we're seeing another candle. I mean, this could go all the way up to 59,000. I mean, we're already at 58,000. This can go up to 59,250. I mean, you can kind of go all the way up or more. But we're going to leave it here and see what happens. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll let you know if something else happens.